Hey everyone, my name is Brian Bergman. This is my first walk-in video. Hold on, I have to get through this gate. Anyways, my first walking video in a little town called Cavite Kawit. Don't remember what direction from Manila it is, but about 30 minutes from Manila. Thank you for watching this channel. I've never done this, so bear with me. My communication might be bad, who knows. But today I'm just going to walk to the store because I'm flying to Cebu to look at some land over there with some friends and maybe go see some beaches or whatever happens. My plans around here is to make no plans, so just trying to mellow out. Always wanted to come here. If I pause and don't want to speak, I'm just going to turn the camera around so you can see what's going on. Oh, by the way, if you're coming here, be prepared. It's flipping hot. Not like Mexico. Like Baja or Hawaii. Oh, another thing around here, these people play basketball all the time. They don't stop till like 1 in the morning. There's a basketball court in every barangay. It's pretty awesome. Most friendly people in the world. And all these people do is work, sleep, eat, and repeat. Oh, except for as soon as they're off work, they play. So I'd say work, play, sleep, and I don't even know what order, but that's all they do is work, eat, sleep, and play. So a lot of times, this amount of days, I'm homesick, but not even homesick. I don't know if in this video or in another one I'll go through the process of getting here. I know in all the videos I've watched, that's what everybody wants to know. It's not that hard, but I'll try to figure out some steps for y'all. So I'm gonna turn the camera around for a little bit and you can see the sketchy traffic that I have to cross the street. Anyways, oh, here's a good little Yamaha shop right on the corner of the highway and Kawit. Looks like a lot of the prices are around $1,000 to $2,000 on a lot of these scooters, motorcycles. They all have like 125, 175 cc. Those that you want to know, the gas prices. This is in liters, by the way. I don't know if you can see that, but that's in liters, and the exchange rate's about 55 Philippine pesos to $1 American dollar. Fluctuates about 53 to 56. And that's about the highest I've seen the exchange rate at. Here's another gas station with some prices. So anyways, I'm walking over. Holy, I just found a crosswalk. I don't know if they use them, but I'm gonna use it. I was never good at Frogger, the video game, so I'm not gonna try it in the Philippines. So anyways, I'm turning the camera back around so you can see what's going on. I don't know how this works or how you get these people to stop. This is scary. Screw that, dude. That's scary. Oh, I'm doing it, bro. Forget it. We're gonna do it. We're doing it, bro. Holy crap, that was a flippin' rush. I made it. Anyways, I'm gonna turn this off before I go in the store because some places say okay, and I just don't want to be messed with. So talk to you in a bit. Out.